Hey everyone, if you want to make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for in your Shopify store, you are in the right place. Let's get started with how to add product filters into Shopify. So the first step is to install the Shopify search and discovery application. First and the most important step is into the left part. Once you are inside the Shopify, focus into the section that says applications. Here what I wanted to do is to look out for the search and discovery. If you don't find this application, you can always go back again into application, just type the word search, and this will lead you back here where it says search in the Shopify App Store. Once you are inside here, what you wanted to do is to aim for the search and discovery created by Shopify. This is a really great application to come helping you to find the right products for your clients and sell more using the free search and discovery application just by hitting to download and hitting to the option that says open. Once you have downloaded the application, you can be locating this into the section that says search and discovery section here. I'm going to click in that, and we are now inside the search performance, where you can check out how many clicks rate we have, the purchase rate, the top searches with no results, the click rate, purchase rate, and so much that. So what I wanted to do is to click into this element. What you wanted to do is to check out the filters. For example, here, this is the part where I can create and configure my filters. So if I click into add my filters into the right section, what I can do is to see the list of available filter sources that we can use out of the box. For example, here I'm going to click into select my source. So all my source could be, for example, if I am selling different sizes of my product, I choose the option that says sized, and the filter label in my case, of course, should be sized. And here into the values, they will be sorted dependently into all the values that you have already created. Let me explain this a little bit more. If I go into the left section that says products, and you can see that we have all our products in here, there are a few products that comes with different variants. I'm going to click into one of them. So scrolling a little bit down, you should see that my product has a lot of product with different colors. So this is an actual variant. So in this case, we have roses, laces, dark green, orange, and much more. We have different sizes. This is the kind of filters that I'm going to be adding into my search and discovery. That's the reason why when I click into search and discovery, and then I click into my filters, add filter, when I select, for example, color, automatically it will be appearing all the colors that I do have available, depending and based on the products that I have currently added so far. Then once you have added all of them, you wanted to choose the option that says save. Once you have done this process, I'm going to go back now into the search element. We can display the filters into my storefront. You can check out the product boost, a few synonyms. There's a few recommendations that even the search and discovery can be helping you to add into them. If you wanted to, you can add the recommendations. If you don't, you can just leave them right there. Once you finish and go, let's go back into the online store. I'm going to click into it. Now that we have set up my filters in the application, I'm going to be needing to enable them into my store theme. So once I am here into my current theme, I'm going to click into the option that says customized. Then into the top center drop down menu, I'm going to switch from the home page to collections, for example, and I go for the default collection. Now in the left hand side sidebar, find the section that contains your product grid, which in this case should be, for example, my collection. Click into it, and there we go. So then in the left hand sidebar, find the section that contains your product grid. It might be called collection grid, for example. In my case, here it is, type grid. Then look for the setting that says enable the filtering. That usually it's kind of around somehow inside here, but in my case, the filtering and sorter is enabled. So as you can see, here it is. Make sure that when you click into app and beams, the search and discovery is appearing in here and is currently active. Hit into the option that says save right here into the upper right corner, and when you finish, let's go for the option that says view. With this in mind, I can just check out here my products, and you can see that here into the upper side now we do have the availability of my products, the price, and the product type, depending of course into the collection that we are actually currently trying to aim for. So this is how we can actually check out our products, and I can sort them by, for example, let's go only for blue products, and here's an actual blue product. Everything is working correctly. So guys, Just a bonus tip that I can give you is that if you want a huge store, you have a huge store with thousands of products and you want more advanced features, you can explore more applications from the App Store, like the Smart Product Filter or the Boost AI Search at the filter. So with these simple steps, you have added a powerful tool to the Shopify store. You can dramatically improve your customer shopping experience and help you increase the sales. If this video helped you guys, be sure to like the button, subscribe to TechCrush for more tutorials, and well, hopefully you can all see you next one.